In this video, I'll show you how to connect Claude to Spotify. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to ensure that we are logged into our Claude account. Once we are logged in, we're going to go to the bottom of the page. We click on our display icon and click on settings. Here, we're going to search for connectors, or we can come to the left side panel under customize and look for connectors. Now, here you can see Spotify is a connector here. But if you cannot find it here, you're going to click on add, you go to browse connectors, and here you can search for Spotify here. And once you click on it, you see it's connected to Spotify by default. That's because I already connected it. Let's go back to connectors. Let's connect it again. Now we're going to click on agree. Yeah, so it's connected. And you can see the permissions here. Now, once you go back to connectors, you see it and you see it as a check mark here. Now, that's how to connect Spotify to Claude. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. And on that note, I'll see you in the next one.